Hello, welcome to my second video of the Gutenberg for everyone. And today we are going to install our local setup. So I recommend two options. That's local WP. So you can go and download it here. You are going to need to put your name and email, and then you can press get it now. I already downloaded to my applications, and there is a WordPress Studio. So you can download it either for a Mac or the Windows, depending on which machine you have. I downloaded that one as well. So once you have downloaded, you can start it. There is an intro screen, you can just skip it, and you need to come to the create a new site. Once we have created, we are going to start with the process. You have option to create for a blueprint, but we don't have it at the moment. We are going to discuss about the blueprints later on. For now, let's just create a new site. So we start Gutenberg for everyone. There is advanced options, but don't change anything for now. We need to go with the default. So we start. So there is option between the preferred and the custom. If you click on the custom, you can choose the PHP version, web server, database. That's still too advanced for now. We are going into that when we go into the custom blocks and themes development. For now, the local create quite perfectly preferred version. So you can simply click continue, add the WordPress username and the password that you choose. I start with the dev. It doesn't need to be a strong password or the strong username, because this is only in your local machine. It doesn't expose it to the internet, so there is no security if you have a simple password like this. If you're moving to the production, we need to update it. But that's going to be on the end of the course. For now, we can go simply with this one. And you can also choose the preferred language. You can choose it English, so we can all follow along. Don't switch to multi-website. This is outside of this course. Just press add, and it's going to create a new website. So asking me for permissions, that's all right, because I have another user. This is not my primary user. And you can see once the website is created, you still have the option to choose between the PHP version. That is useful sometimes, because sometimes the themes or the plugins still are not supporting the current version that you have, so you need to downgrade it as well. Also, there is a handy option to one-click admin, because if I just press it like this, it's going to add me to the login page. But instead of login every time, you can just simply enable one-click admin. If you have multiple admins, just choose one that you need, and once you press it, it's going to automatically log you and display you the WordPress dashboard. This was the local VP. Now we are going to cover the studio. The studio is quite similar. The UI is different. There is also a blueprint, exporting, importing backups. Let's start with this one. Gutenberg for everyone. There is also advanced settings with the PHP version, etc. Just go with the defaults for now. Okay, let's wait for the studio to install it. Takes a minute or two, depending on your WordPress machine. And you can see once the website is done, there is a little difference. So here it's going to give you the option to open the page directly, or the templates, navigation, site editor, styles, or the patterns. In terms of the local, it gives you the option between to log you as an admin or to visit the front end of the website. So for example, you can go here to the pages. It's going to log you in and it's going to list you the pages. I actually don't like this view. This is from the editor. I actually prefer it from the classic, and that's go to the dashboard and then go to the pages and you will have this. Okay, now you have your WordPress up and running, and we are going into the logic of the WordPress in the next one.